I welcome all of you to the Science Nest YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the second term test paper of the Western Province in grade 7. We will see what are the answers for these questions. A substance that converts blue litmus into red is. Blue litmus turn into red color by an acid. In here, vinegar is the acid. Vinegar is the acid here. Second one, a patch was formed when a piece of soap is kept on an aluminium lid. Reason for this? Reason for the patch is soap is a base. Soap is a base. This base is reacting with the aluminium. Then we can see the patch here. Answer number 3. Answer number 3. Advantage of the streamlined body shape to the fish is the advantage is easy to move or swim in water. Easy to move or swim in water. Answer question number 4. Animals show various adaptations for their safety. An animal showing the same colors and patterns of plant leaves is leaf insect. Answer number 3. Leaf insect. Out of the above animals, group of invertebrate animals. Invertebrates are the animals who have not got a backbone. From these animals, caterpillar, worm and snail have no backbone. Answer number 1. Motion of an object by a pull or push is applying a force. An incident related to kinetic energy is can be seen when there is a motion. Kinetic energy can be seen when there is a motion. Potential energy can be seen if the object is in higher position. So answer number 2. Blowing wind, there's a motion, so that it has the kinetic energy. Joule is used to measure energy. Answer number 3. Energy needed for the artificial satellites is received by solar panels. Answer number 3. 10th one, energy needed to evaporate seawater in the salt industry. Evaporate seawater by the heat energy. Answer number 3. What will happen when a narrow parallel beam of light is directed on a convex mirror? If it directed on a convex mirror, the light is going to be spread. That is known as the conversion. So light is converged. 12th one is out of syllabus. 13. Energy transformation of an electric bulb is. For electric bulb, we supply electricity. It converts into the light energy. Answer number 3. 14. A balloon fixed to an empty bottle when kept in hot water was inflated. You can see in this picture. The reason is volume of air in the bottle increased by the heat energy, and the increased volume go into the balloon. That is why it is inflating. Answer number 1. 15. Energy transformation in a winding clock. For the winding clock, we supply the electricity and the hands of the clock get rotating. It is moving. So the electric energy is converting into kinetic energy. Elements found in Earth's core is answer number 3. Molten iron and nickel. 17. Instrument used to measure time using the length of the shadow is the sundial. Answer number 1. Multiple images are formed when 2 or more plane mirrors are kept at angle. When the angle between 2 mirrors decreases, if the angle is decreasing, the number of images are increasing. Answer number 2. 19. Instrument used to magnify small objects which are visible to the naked eye in the laboratory. Complex compound microscope and the simple microscope can be taken. Correct statement about vibration is answer number 1. Sound is produced by the vibrations of objects. Sound is produced by the vibrations of objects. Next, we will discuss the question number 1 in part 2. Grade 7 students were divided into 4 groups as A, B, C and D for an assessment. 100 small pieces of ickles were colored by red, green, white, brown and divided equally among the groups. Each group got 25 pieces in one color. All these 100 pieces of ickles were mixed as in a box and spreaded in a lawn with grasses. Spread in grass lawn randomly. 4 students are appointed to pick up the respective colored ickles in 1 minute. Use the above activity to find the answers for the questions below. Okay. In this activity, no need to think about the groups and the students. You should think only about the colors. You should only about the colors. And the color of the space, the color of the ground is green color. What color ickles were picked up least within 1 minute? අඩුවෙන්ම ඇහිඳ ගන්න color එක. මේක තියෙන්නේ grass lawn එකක. එතකොට අපිට green color එක පේන්නේ අඩුවෙන්. The green color ickles were picked up least. Answer is green. What is the reason for the least picking up of the colored ickle? The least picking up is because the grasses are green. Write down the answer. Grasses are green and green color ickles are not distinct. Not distinct within grasses. Next, what color ickles are picked up highest? We can see that red color can be seen distinct within the grass. They are green color, but red color can be distinct within the green color. Distinct means capypyrenol. What is the reason for the highest picking up? The reason is red color is distinct within green grasses. Red color is distinct within green grasses. This is the answer. When all these ickles are spreaded on a gravel floor, what color ickles are picked up last? In this question, the gravel, there are different colors of gravel. For this question, we will consider that gravel is gray color. We will consider that gravel is gray color. And we will think that red color is distinct within the gray color. Then that is the when all these ickles were spread on a gravel floor, what color ickles are picked up last? Finally pick up. We will see what are the colors here. Red, green, white and brown. The finally pick up color is brown color. We will think it as brown color. This is somewhat incomplete question. We will state the answer as brown. Any color can be taken as the correct answer because there are different colors of gravel are there. B. After the end of this activity, one child in group C told to the teacher that there is a grasshopper hidden among the grasses, but it was difficult to find it. According to the above description, why was it difficult to find the place of the grasshopper? Write down the answer. Grasshopper is green color and grasses are also green color. Grasses are also green color. What is it called? The difficulty to identify the animals separately from their environment. We call it as adaptation. Adaptation. Write 2 advantages of this type adaptations to the animal. Write down the answer. I'll put it here. advantages are to protect from predators, to find food by hiding. Those are the advantages of the adaptations. Name 2 animals which are well adapted to the color of the environment except the grasshopper. Write down. Leaf insect. The shape of the leaf insect is like a leaf. And moth, it is brown color, so it has hidden among the plant stems. Moth. Mention whether the grasshopper is a vertebrate or invertebrate animal. Grasshopper is an invertebrate. It has not got a backbone. Okay, now we have to complete the dichotomous key. These are the animals. They have divided into 2 categories: grasshopper, lizard, and cow. Those 3 animals have legs. So we will put here as have legs. And those 2 animals have no legs. Have no legs. Next, crow and grasshopper lizard. Crow has wings. No? Has wings. Grasshopper and lizard have no wings. Next one, rat snake and earthworm. Rat snake is long. Garandia. Earthworm is short. And related to the earthworm, it is short. Lizard and grasshopper. We can say lizard have a backbone. Have a backbone. But grasshopper have no backbone. Have no backbone. Let's move to the second question. Dressing table mirror is a smooth, shiny surface. In science, it is called a plane mirror. Following diagram illustrates the reflection of light by a plane mirror. What do you mean by the reflection of light? I'll put the definition for the reflection. Returning the light rays in the same medium after falling on a surface. This is the reflection of light. Reflection of light. Write down 2 factors needed for vision: light and eye. Draw the divergent beam of light. I'll draw a divergent beam here. Light can be diverged by a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. And if any light beam is coming parallel to the convex mirror, it is going like this, going as one point is spreading it. It is coming and going again. Parallel light beam is coming and it is going as one point is spreading it. One point is spreading it. This is the divergent beam of light. Write 2 instances where concave mirrors are using. Write down 2 instances as mirrors for shaving. And next one, for dentist to examine teeth of a patient. Sound is produced by vibration of an object, but structures in the human body vibrate to produce the voice. Vocal cords in the throat. Okay, in this one, second one, what is vibrated in each of the following instruments to produce the sound? Include air column is vibrating, in horn air column is vibrating, in drum membrane is vibrating. Next part, following diagram illustrate the propagation of sound between the source of sound and the ear. What is needed for the propagation of sound from place to another place? We need a medium. Out of the solids, liquids and gaseous mediums, which has the highest speed of sound? In solid medium, speed of sound is highest. Third question. A group of grade 7 students designed a model of human respiratory system, human digestive system. Following diagram illustrates it. Use it to find the answers for the questions given. Write two main functions of the human digestive system. You should write down the two main functions. First one, conversion of complex food into simple food, simple substances. Second one, absorption of simple food to body. Absorption of simple food to body. Digestion of food starts in mouth. Write a change take place in the food in stomach, in mouth. The change is teeth break down food into smaller particles inside the mouth. Name A, B, C parts in the diagram. I'll name the parts in the diagram like this. A, B, C parts. A is salivary glands. B, esophagus. C, stomach. We will name the D also. Small intestine. Write the main function of D. D is the small intestine. The main function is complete the digestion process. Complete the digestion process and absorb the end products. Absorb the end products to the body. Absorb the end products to the body. Question number 4. No, we are not going to do the question number 4. Now we are going to discuss the question number 6. Question number 6. Earth is only planet with life in our solar system. There are a number of reasons for the existence of life on it. Mention one reason for the existence of life on the Earth. One reason is there are oxygen for the respiration and there are water. Following diagram illustrate the inner nature of the Earth. Name X and Y part. X part is the outermost part, it is the crust, and the middle part is the mantle. Write down a method used by geologists to obtain information about the inner part of the Earth by earthquakes. Name two solid substances found in part X. Solid substances in crust. rock and soil. Rocks, soil. These are the solid substances. Third one, what is the reason for the existence of substances in the inner core as solids? Inner core, the temperature is less than outer core. The temperature is less than outer core. Following diagram illustrate forming a shadow of a spherical object by a torch on a screen. Write a characteristic processed by the spherical object to form the shadow as in the above way. The spherical object should be opaque. Opaque means light එක මේ object එක හරහා ගියේ නැත්නම් තමයි මේකේ shadow එක පේන්නේ. Next one. What is the change in part B in the shadow when the torch is moved away from the spherical object? If we taken this away from the spherical object, the B is the penumbra. No? Penumbra is gradually disappearing. Answer is gradually disappearing. Convex mirrors are used as the side mirror of vehicles. The word ambulance is written opposite in them. Explain the reason for this. Because the image formed here is laterally inverted. Left hand side and the right hand side has changed the images that formed in these mirrors. That is why the word has written in opposite way. Now we will see the seventh question. Chemicals can exist as solid, liquid and gases. Most of the chemicals contain a large amount of energy. What is the energy given when LP gas is burned? When LP gas is burned, heat energy is given. Write down the energy conversion in the above instance. In LP gas, there is chemical energy. The heat conversion should be written down with an arrow. Chemical energy convert into heat energy. Name two solid fuels which contain chemical energy. Solid fuels. Write down. Firewood. Sawdust. Write the type of energy stored in each of the following. A fruiting tree. Fruiting tree that is in higher position is a potential energy. In petrol, chemical energy. Complete the following table. Immersion heater. The form of energy given to the equipment is electric energy. Other forms of energy generated by it is heat energy. Radio, we give the electric energy and we can hear the sound energy from it. Write two uses of sound energy in our day-to-day activities. For the communication, and for diagnose diseases. In medical field also, ultrasound waves are used when diagnosing the diseases.